Hello. In this video, all I'm doing is cleaning up all of these ngons. So I'm primarily using the multicut tool, as you can see here, and I'll create edge loops and connect those edge loops, as well as I'll connect vertices from one screw hole to another screw hole where it makes sense. So once I've created an edge loop, I can connect it like so, hold control, create another one, and then connect it like so. And again, we're getting rid of these ngons, which are faces with more than 4 sides. So I'm going to speed the video up here until I get to the next little stage. Remember that if you need to delete an edge loop, like I have a couple times, just select the entire edge loop and remember to hold control before you hit delete, or else you will create a bunch more ngons because it will not delete the vertices that were attached to that edge. This sort of work can feel tedious sometimes, especially when you're just learning, but it is important. We want to be able to smooth this, and if we do not do this, it will not smooth properly, and we will not be able to have a nice high poly model. Once this stage is complete and I've closed up all the ngons, we will do, well, one, we will look for more ngons by going through the mesh cleanup tool and then fix those ngons. And then after that, we'll go through and straighten out all our edges as best we can using a combination of vertex snapping and edge selection. I'm going to select this in object mode now and go to mesh, cleanup, make sure my options are correct, then hit apply, and now I see that there are a few ngons. So I'll start at the top and work my way down. I'm going to go to vertex mode and look, and the reason why there's an ngon here is because there are all these vertices. So let's go to my modeling toolkit, target weld, and I'm going to weld these vertices together, and that should fix that one. I'll go back to object mode, hit apply in my cleanup window again, and let's figure out why this is an ngon. It's because it is 5-sided, so I need to create another edge loop. And let's actually delete this edge and connect it that way. Now I need to fix this ngon, and looks like I can just weld these together, and that should be it. If nothing is selected, that means there are no ngons, so I can close out of this. Now I'm going to start up here and work my way around the mesh, and I'll select these vertices, use the scale tool to straighten them, and then I'll go to my move tool and vertex snap them so that they line up nicely with the screw hole that they are supporting. And I'm going to speed this up, but I'm just going to continue to do that all the way around the model and move and snap vertices so that we get something clean. Alright, now that we're done here, I'm just going to delete my history, edit, delete all by type, and we'll see you in the next one.